guys, my name is Brianna Campos and I'm a part of the Carrizo Springs National Honor Society. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a paper snowman. All you're going to need is a pair of scissors, 4 sheets of 22 by 22 centimeter paper, a stapler, a glue stick, and 2 pieces of string. For the first step, you're going to grab a piece of paper and you're going to fold downwards. Okay? Once that is done, you're going to fold downwards one more time. Okay, and now you should have something like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold halfway across this line. So I'm going to fold halfway, okay? And this is how your fold halfway should be. And now I'm going to turn the paper around and I'm going to fold just that amount the other way. Now you should have something like this. So if I were to open my paper, it would look like that. And now we're just going to keep folding by halves all the way down. Okay, now that that is finished, you should have something like this. Now we're going to do the same thing to our second piece of paper. Okay, now that that is all done, I'm going to pick one side and I'm going to grab my glue stick and I'm just going to glue on one side only. Okay, now I'm going to take my other piece of paper and I'm just going to put them together. Just like that. Now they should be glued together. Now I'm going to take my piece of string and I'm going to tie it around about halfway. Okay, and now we should have something that looks like this. Now I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue one side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it over just like this. And now we should have it all glued together like that. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Okay, after we have finished gluing both sides, we should have something like this. Now, what you're going to want to do is repeat the whole process over with your other 2 sheets of paper. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to staple your 2 pieces together. This is going to create our snowman body. Okay, so now you should have something that looks like this. Our next step is to add our details. So we're going to be adding our hat, our eyes, our nose, and our scarf. So first I'm going to be gluing on my snowman's hat. Okay, so now we should have something that looks like this. Now I'm going to be adding the scarf. Now you should have something that looks like this. Next, I'm going to be adding the snowman's eyes and the snowman's nose. Okay guys, this is our finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed making your paper snowman. Don't forget to show your parents. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our National Honor Society YouTube channel. And you guys have a great day.